Everyone, welcome to my channel. And what started out to be just a swatching video for Chinese New Year plates that I bought from Maniology, and I've been wanting for months to use this polish. It's so pretty, and I knew that this was going to be the perfect time. Chinese New Year, red, gold, black, right? So I thought someone said it was the year of the rat, and then in my goal to actually know what I'm talking about this year and not screwing up videos, I went and Googled what year it was and evidently typed in the year 2000 instead of the year 2020 and saw that it was dragon. So yeah. And I am sneaking this into the YouTube Weekly Stamping Collab. Thank you, Judy, for hosting. Everyone's pictures will be at the end and their links will be down below. All right, I'm going to be using On the Black stamping polish from Brave's Diva nail polish and my monster stamper. I got this from GPStamping on Facebook. I always get these from a group buy from Facebook. Also, the stamping group, I'll put it down below, and I think it's always there. I mean, I need to add some stuff, like always have down there polish pickup link, the stamping shop group buy, only ladies I trust for group buys, BFF plates going on right now that you can purchase from. They have Moira a lot. They have plates and stuff that you can't normally get that are out of the country that are easier to get through them. It takes a little longer, but who gives a crap? It's not like it's an emergency here. Oh, look, I have a scraper from GPStamping. There you go. Oh, look how pretty those fish are. And the flowers, the little flowers are really cute. Love it. All right, I've got my Maniology. I'm just taking it out of the little holder thing. My stamping station. Oh, look how beautiful those are. Beautiful. This is what I'm saying. I never, ever have had issues with Maniology plates. They always stamp beautifully. Oh, so pretty. Look at that little baby koi fish and flowers. Oh my gosh. I absolutely love that. And do you see how crisp and clean and perfect these pick up? Oh, so pretty. This is plate number M082. Gonna be one long video. Oh, by the way, I had to get my Jeep fixed, and it's gonna cost us $2,000 because it's the drivetrain. My drivetrain is out. So I'm gonna need all of you to watch, I don't know, all of my, how many videos do I have? A couple hundred. I'm gonna need you guys to watch them all at least 10 times each. You're funny, Gally. Funny. Sorry. Good enough to show you what it looks like. Really pretty. Plate number MO83. What do we have? 882, 83, and 112. I really like this and this. I mean, I'm really anxious to see this Chinese dude though. I absolutely love that braiding. That is so cool. Oh my gosh, it would take forever, but to color that in like 2 different colors and make it 3 even, because there's 3. Take a lot of work, but it's beautiful. I'm not sure what that is. Oh, those are people too. Oh, that says Happy Chinese New Year. Cute. Oh, love the dragon. Oh, the lanterns look really pretty. Oh, look how pretty that is. Last one, thank goodness. Tired of swatching, man. Those look like roses. A little heavy on the polish on that. That one's a little bit too much. I don't know. Not so crazy about that. That's really pretty. That one's gorgeous. All right, this polish is gorgeous. The Crimson Magic. Okay, forget it. The red. It took, I put 2 coats on. You could get by with 1. It is gorgeous. And then I have a coat of Purple Willow Apothecary Quick Dry Sweet Tea on top of that. And then the gold I have on is Brave Stevie Nail Polish Nasty Curve. This is not available, but if enough people complain and bully her, she really needs to come out with these metallics she has again. There was 3 of them. Gorgeous metallics. Beautiful. Isn't that pretty? I love this red. and I'm going to use the Maniology Sticky Base Coat. This I actually did yesterday. Today's the next day. So it is, you know, dry and is probably not going to stick. This one I just did. It will probably stick, but let's go ahead and make sure. Did not put a clear coat on my stamper or over the images. It's super windy. There's something blowing against the house. Ding dong dang it. I just really, really love that. So what do you guys think? I love this. I forget how much I really like these red and gold and black manis. All right, thanks again, Judy, for hosting. Please consider following the links below and watching the other ladies' videos. Share the love all over. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell, because I've got another giveaway, and it is a Chinese New Year plate and a gold and red polish, and it has a stamper. It's a Maniology kit. And it's a new one, and I do not have that plate, so it's going to be a plate that I don't even have and I haven't showed you yet. And I think I am going to make that entry time sensitive, so you'll want to hit the bell so you can get in there first on that. Okay, thanks you guys, bye. Oh, don't forget, the video's not over till the baby ghost giggles.
All right, have a good weekend. Bye.
Here, you eat this, Mom.
I don't know. Mommy does not eat cookies. But Penny do. What's it, Funko? Fantasy. I like it.
Oh, then he licks the fork at least. Gams gave him his first haircut. And now he's gonna come up with a spoon.
Itchy? Are you itchy? That bugs me. Ruh-roh.
You need to put that big one on the bottom. Oh my gosh. Uh-oh.
Uh-oh.
Come on, Sam, let's play. I'm gonna take your bone. Oh!
Boogie boogie boo. Boogie boogie boo. Boogie boogie boo. Boogie boogie boo.